All right, what's up, everyone? It's Jimbo in my garage that I just redid. Anyway, I got a cool little package today. in the mail from, who's it from? From Jay Lenos Garage. So I want to show you what's in it. Let's take a peek. All right, so let's see there. All right, I have no idea what's in it. Let me see. I think it's one of their new ones. And big ups to Chris over there at Leno'S Garage for sending this to me. I'm excited. I think it's a new product, so let me figure out all the compartments here to open it. And once I do that, I'll do that. There we go. Quite the box here, guys. Or I just have a really dull razor, one or the other. So, I guess it would help if I was using the right side of the razor. Alright, let's see what we got going here. I think it's supposed to flip up. Like this. These Louise. There we go. Alright. A lot of paper. 2 nozzles, so it must be dealing with something that was spraying. Okay. More paper, and then 2 bottles of something called Radiant. Let's see, it says sprayable silica sealant. Okay. Creates a hydrophobic coating. Interesting. Cool. It's this nice turquoise color. I want to say that scent is watermelon. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge sucker for products that smell good. It smells. What is that scent? It's I want to say like grapefruit and watermelon. Definitely some grapefruit in there. Anyway, the back says, here, I'll just place that right there and then I'll read this other one. Perfect. All right, JLG's Radiant is an easy-to-use spray sealant that combines lustrous, glowing shine with unmatched hydrophobic properties, provides 3 to 4 months of durable protection. How we're gonna use it is we're gonna shake it well, apply to a freshly cleaned surface, working 1 panel at a time, spray a few mists onto the surface with a clean, low-pile microfiber towel, wipe the surface evenly, distribute product. With a dry microfiber towel, immediately buff Radiant off the surface. Dark colored surfaces may require a light damp towel to help avoid streaking. Allow 30 to 60 minutes for Radiant to cure. Avoid getting surface wet during the cure time. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna apply this dry. We're gonna apply Radiant dry, but I'm gonna try to use it wet too. And we'll see. So it's a sprayable silica sealant. Might streak a little bit. Smells really good. I will do an updated video when I use it, but that's the unboxing of what I got today from the guys over at Jay Lenos Garage. Thanks, guys.